I am Dr. Chandrika Shekhar, practicing as an obstetrician and gynecologist at Chirag Hospital and Maternity Center, JP Nagar, 2nd Phase, Bangalore. I am also a visiting doctor at Malathi Manipal Hospital, Jayanagar 9th Block and Apollo Cradle Hospital, Jayanagar 5th Block. About over-the-counter medicines taken in pregnancy, I would like to tell that taking any medicines in pregnancy has always to be done under the guidance of your doctor. That too, especially, you should never take any medicine during the first trimester or the first 3 months of pregnancy, because that is called as the formative phase of the baby. That is, the organogenesis of the baby happens during the first 3 months of pregnancy, and any external factor can have an impact on the development of the growing baby. So it is always better to avoid over-the-counter medicines during the first trimester or the first 3 months of pregnancy.